Linga Mudra helps to cure the old problems of cold, coryza, cough.
Please press the subscribe button and bell icon on your YouTube app. Stay tuned with Small Big Things for healthy living tips.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Small Big Things. I'm Dr. Wagh and today's topic we are going to discuss is Linga Mudra. So let us see what are the benefits of this Linga Mudra. It helps to cure the long-standing problems of coryza and cold. The people who are more prone to get such problems because of their working pattern in the AC environment. The people suffering from the problems of sinuses can even take the advantage of this mudra to reduce their problem. Some people are not able to tolerate the change of season or the winter season, even can do this mudra for their problems as a preventive measure. The long-standing cough due to any pathology or illnesses or disease of the lung or the lung conditions like pneumonia, bronchitis, pleural effusion causing cough can be reduce the problem of cough. Even these conditions are reduced up to some extent because the mudra helps to give more benefit to the medicines they are taking. This mudra is also found beneficial for patients having pulmonary tuberculosis, means the TB of lungs, and taking the medicines to reduce their problem. As this treatment for tuberculosis is a long standing for approximately 9 months, so this mudra helps to reduce the bad effects of the medicines they are taking. It is more beneficial for the children if they do this mudra 3 times a day to prevent their tendency to suffer the problems like cold, coryza and cough due to the seasonal changes or their body tendency to suffer. So let us see what is the process or how to do this mudra. Friends, in this Linga Mudra, what you have to do is you have to take your both hands. It's my request to remove all your rings, your bangles, your watch, so that there is no bondage or no obstacles to do this mudra. In this, you have to intermingle with your all fingers together, keeping the thumb of one hand straight like this. Here I'm keeping the thumb of my left hand straight. Or even the people who are comfortable with keeping their thumb of right hand straight can do this mudra in this way. In this mudra, the 4 tattvas, that is Akash, Vayu, Jala and Prithvi, comes together, and the thumb, which represents the Agni tattva, remains in contact with all these tattva together. This is how you can do the Linga Mudra. The time period for doing this mudra should not be more than 5 minutes because it is just for the sake of reducing your problem of cough, cold, coryza, which is chronic in nature. The sitting position for this mudra is anything which is comfortable for you. But if you do this mudra in Padmasana or Siddhasana, will give you the best results. And the most important thing is this mudra produces the lot of heat energy in the body of the performer. So even in a winter season, the person doing this mudra will sweat profusely. This sweating profusely or production of heat in the body dissolves the excess of fat in the body. So, even the Ling Mudra helps to reduce the weight up to some extent. There is no time restriction for this mudra at which time it should be performed. The people can do this mudra even at their workplace in the leisure time. Please give big thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friends, colleagues and relatives too who are suffering from the problem of cold, coryza and cough, and help them to reduce their problem and even the disturbance caused by them because of their coughing in the working environment. And subscribe to my channel Small Big Things for regular updates. Bye bye.